guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. Let's grab a paper and get started. First, we'll need to sharpen the pencil. Then we are drawing a big round circle. Then we are locating the nose and eyes. Then I'll be drawing her a double eyelid. And then her nose. And now I'm drawing her lips. Feel free to stop or slow down the video if the pace is too fast for you. Now I'm outlining her cheeks and face. Now I'm drawing her eyeballs. I want her to be looking at the right side. After that, I'm doing a rough draft of her brows. And that's her lashes. Then it's time to sharpen my pencil again. I just remind myself to do this every few minutes so the lines can remain sharp and clean. After drawing her messy bun, I am drawing her neck and shoulders. Now it's time to add some watercolor and shades. I love to add the little red tone on the nose. It looks so cute to me. Then I'm adding a little pinkish tone on the eyes and ears as well. I hope you're enjoying this video.